Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this simultaneously. X plus y equals 20. This is our equation 1. Then xy equals 44 is our equation 2. From equation 1, y can be equal to 20 minus x, and we will call this our equation 3. Now, notice something. This equation 3, came from equation 1. So don't put this back into equation 1. What we'll do is to put this straight into the equation 2, because we have not done anything with equation 2. So take this there, and in place of x, this x will come out. Then in place of y, we write this 20 minus x. Then this is equal to 44. Now we open the brackets. 20x minus x squared is equal to 44, right? What I'm doing is to open the bracket, right? Okay, so now the next thing to be done is to rearrange this. What if I write this first? So it gives me negative x squared, then plus 220x. Now I can take this to the left and it becomes negative 44 equals 0. Do not forget that we are not expected to have negative coefficients, so we multiply the negative coefficient by everything. So let's multiply everything by minus 1, so that we have x squared. This will turn to minus 20x. This will turn to plus 44, and this is equal to 0. Now we have a standard quadratic equation. Okay, so we are going to use the formula method for this. So our x is equal to minus b plus or minus, we have square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. Now our our a is the coefficient of x squared, our b is minus 20, and our c is 44. So x is equal to, in place of minus 20, place of minus b, I write minus 20. This is because this negative is out and b itself is minus 20. Then we have plus or minus. We have b squared, which will be minus 20 squared. Then, okay, it's minus. We have minus. We have 4. Then we have 4 times a is 1 times c, and our c is 44. So the whole of this will be over 2 times 1. Now let's continue from here. Our x is going to be minus times minus will give us positive 20, plus or minus. Then we have this minus 20 squared will give us 400, right? Then minus 4 times 44, right? 4 times 4 is 16. Then 4 times 4 again will now give us this. So we have this, and this is all over 2, because 2 times 1 is 2, right? Okay, so x is equal to 20 plus or minus. If we subtract this, we'll have 224. Then we divide by 2. Now, do not divide by 2 yet, because this also has to do with the 2. Now, x is equal to 20 plus or minus. Now, this 224 is the same thing as 32 multiplied by 7, right? And this is over 2. Now, our x from here is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 32. Okay, 32 is not a perfect square, right? 32 is not a perfect square, so we need to do more work there, right? So now 32 is 16 times 2 times 7, and this is over 2. Now from here, what can we do? X is equal to 20 plus or minus, then we have square root of 16 multiplied by 14. 2 times 7 is 14, then we have this by 2. Now we have the highest perfect square obtainable. So our x is equal to, we have 20 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Then we have to have square root of 14. Then we divide this by 2. Okay, so this is what we have. And our x is now 2 can go here, and the same 2 will go there. So we have 10 plus or minus, we have 2 root 14. Meaning that x is equal to 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2 root 14, or 10 minus 2 root 14. So this will be the two values of x. But now we need to get the corresponding value of y. So we go straight to our equation 3, and it is y equals 20 minus x. Now y will now be 20 minus open bracket, the first value of x is 10 plus 2 root 14. Now let's open the bracket so that y is equal to 20 minus 10 minus 2 root 14. This negative is opening everything, right? Negative times 10 is negative 10. Negative times 2 root 14 is negative 2 root 14. So now y is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10, then minus 2 root 14. Mind you, you cannot subtract this because this is carrying root and this is not. Now, what are we saying? We are saying that when x is equal to 10 plus 2 root 14, y is equal to 10 minus 2 root 14. Okay, but this will not be the only solution because we need to get the second value of x. Y is equal to um, 20 minus x. Now we are going to pick the second value of x and put into this. Y is equal to 20 minus open bracket. The second value of x is 10 minus 2 root 14. Now we open the bracket as well so that y is equal to 20 minus 10 plus 2 root 14. Now y is equal to 20 minus 10 is still 10. We have plus 2 root 14. Now what are we saying again? We are saying that when x equals 10 minus 2 root 14, y equals 10 plus 2 root 14. Okay, so this is what we have, and I thank you for watching this video to the end. Those of you that have always been watching my videos, thank you for staying with me. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and share this to your friends. Thanks.